Hello, here's Dirk again from TASCAM at the ISE 2020. Now I want to introduce you to our new Model 12. So we've started last year with shipping the Model 24 and Model 16 of analog mixing consoles, and now Model 12 is the new small child. It's a 10-channel, 10 analog input mixing console, 8 microphone inputs, 2 stereo channels. The last channel can as well be equipped with or sent via Bluetooth, so it can receive Bluetooth signals, or it can be connected with a TRRS connector to your mobile phone. Especially if you're doing podcasting or conferencing with mobile phones, people connected outside, we have the mix minus function in for that channel, so you don't get that typical echo effect when you send out your standard stereo mix to the mobile phone and get it back. Each input has a little compressor, equalizer, and 2 auxiliary sends. We have a sub out and a main out. What we now have in is MIDI control, so you can control your software like a DAW with the faders. We have a click output, which is not so important for our installation market we're talking about here, but interesting if you're using it for a musician. So the idea with the Model 12 was we were thinking, who's using a smaller mixer and what needs do those people have? And we wanted to focus on all several markets which are interesting for that, like installation, podcasting, musicians, and all that. Yeah, that's it for today, and if you're interested, you find more information in our new system design guide, which is now available here at the booth or in the internet as download at www.tascam.eu. Thank you for joining.